Very good evening to you guys and welcome back to another vlog. So I hope you're all doing well. So after a very long time I'm come directly over the camera and talking to you all. Today's vlog is not going to be on the car markets or anything like that. Okay, no auction cars. Today's vlog is on my car. Okay, as I have already told you, okay, I'll be making videos on my cars and all. So today's vlog will be showing you that. Okay, so this vlog will be a two-part vlog. So the first part what I have to tell you is that it's already been 1.5 years since I had bought this car. It's a Honda Civic for those people who know about it. Okay, and two times we had done the oil change. One was a major service where we had done a lot of things, okay, including the oil change, and second one was just a oil change. Okay, so this time also we'll be doing the oil change and all, which will be a very major service that will come almost after 1.5 years. Okay, so this vlog will be not on that. Okay, so this vlog will be on the cleaning of my air conditioner. Okay, so as you know that this car is a pre-owned vehicle. Okay, and since the time I had bought the car, I have not cleaned the AC ducts. Okay, so sometimes there is a bad smell and all which used to come, but not that much. It's very normal, so I don't feel that there is some bad smell or something, because the previous owner they had kept the vehicle in a very proper and good condition. Okay, even till date the vehicle has covered more than 200,000 kilometers, 230,000 kilometers, which is not a very small thing. Okay, but still the engine feels really nice when it drives and all. Only thing it just requires basic oil change and regular maintenance, then this car will never die. Okay, so from the AC also I have not got any kind of bad smell or something till date, but you know what I'm thinking is, let's clean up the AC ducts. Okay, because there is a foam spray which comes now, for which you can clean the AC ducts. So this is one thing which I have to do. And second thing is that the AC now, it's not giving chilled air. Okay, so I guess there is some problem with the condenser or problem with the gas or something. I really don't know, but it's just normally working. Okay, right now this AC has not been working from last December. Okay, like not December, like somewhere like from November. Okay, just before I could go back to Goa for my sister's wedding. Okay, I was not there over here for almost 1 month. Okay, 1 month I was not there, so the car was just standing over here. And as you know, from the time of November till April, it's chilled in Dubai. Okay, so you don't require the AC and all to function much, because you know it's quite cool outside. Okay, so from last few months I was not using the AC only. I was just using the blowers, for which it was giving me chilled air. So now that the vehicle also is due for maintenance, and plus the AC is also not working, so what I was thinking is, let's clean up the AC ducts. Okay, from here only. Okay, I don't have to go outside, because to tell you frankly, I will not do the service on my own. I will be taking to a garage to do the service. Okay, because even if I open one part now, then we have to replace 10 parts. Okay, so that's the reason I will not be doing any kind of opening of the thing and all. And secondly, I wanted to clean the ducts, because if at all, if there is anything which is not good and which requires proper maintenance, so I thought like better to clean off the duct first only, because once they fill the AC gas or some condenser and all, and if later on if we do the service, like later on if we try to clean the ducts and all, it might create some more problems also. Maybe we might have to do something more. So what I was thinking is, let's clean up the AC duct. Okay, so today's vlog will be on the cleaning of the duct, but I will be showing you all products which I have bought for my car for service. Okay, for the next vlog also. So today, so let's unbox that. I have like 3 bags over here. Okay, I will just show it to you. 3 bags are there, so we'll just do the unboxing of the goodies. Okay, for the car it's goodies only. They are basically additives and all. Okay, so let me just show that to you. I'll just mount the camera over here. Okay guys, so as I was telling you, we have 3 boxes to be unboxed today. Okay, so let me just close the window one side, because you might get a lot of noise from the other side. Okay, so this one also will try to keep a little bit down. Okay, so this is the first bag. Okay, and I have bought this products all from Amazon, not a sponsored one and all, but this is like I have paid money for this. Okay, so the first product is this is basically an air conditioner cleaner. Okay, so we'll be cleaning the ducts from here. Okay, I'll just show it to y'all, if y'all can see. Not a sponsored video as I have told you, but just to clean the ducts. Okay, so this will be cleaning. Okay, this is a foam spray. Along with that you get cable, not cable, what is this called, like a pipe. Okay, small pipe also is there, so we need this today for cleaning. Okay, so this is the first product which we need. The second is basically an engine flush. Okay, Liqui-Moly. I don't think so you'll be able to see it. Yeah, so now you'll be able to see this is basically Liqui-Moly engine flush. Okay, so if you can see, yes, so this is basically a Liqui-Moly engine flush. So on Amazon this has costed me around 25 dirhams. Okay, so I bought from Amazon. I can show it to you. See, from Amazon. So 25 dirhams for this product. So before we change the oil now, you have to put this in the oil, okay, the old oil, and run it for another like 15 minutes. Okay, just to make sure that the oil gets circulated, and then drain the oil from the ground. Okay, you don't have to suck the oil, because whatever residues or particles are there, it will be just in the engine only. So there's a drain bolt, okay, down. So when they lift the vehicle, then you can extract it. So make sure whenever you change the oil, make sure that you open the bolt and remove the bolt, and then let the all the old oil now flush it. Okay, so this is basically a good engine flush, which you all need. Okay, so this is the first product. I have another bag also, just to show you all. Yeah, so this is basically the second package. It came in like 2 different packages. Okay, so second is this Liqui-Moly oil additive. I hope you all can see, I'm not very sure. Yeah, so this is basically an oil additive, okay, known as Liqui-Moly oil additive. So this is basically, you know, an add-on for the oil. Okay, so right now, first I've told you that first will be flushing the engine, okay, which will be pouring the engine flush, and then the oil and all the old oil will be coming out. Second part is you have to add this with the new oil. Okay, add a new fresh oil, whichever grade is recommended for you, and then add this part also. Okay, so this is called oil additive MOH2. So this creates a layer on the engine surface, so there is a lot of the friction which will be there, that will be reduced. Okay, so it's like an additional ceramic coating, not a ceramic coating, like an additional layer of oil. Okay, so every time whenever you want to change oil, that is the time you can use this Liqui-Moly oil additive. Okay, so I got this for around 45 or 46 dirhams, like it's within 50 dirhams. Okay, so Liqui-Moly oil additive. Okay, and you can use it for petrol as well as diesel engines. Okay, so both of them. Mine is a petrol, so I have to use it with the petrol engine only. So I'll be taking the oil and the oil filter from the garage guys only. So this is basically an add-on from it. Okay, so very good thing. And the last thing for today, which is basically yes, so the last things are 2 bottles. This is basically the same. This is basically Liqui-Moly catalytic system clean. Okay, so 2 bottles, because I was getting a huge discounts, and I use this regularly in my car. Okay, so this Liqui-Moly catalytic system clean, it is basically for your catalytic system, okay, for the exhaust. So whenever you refill your vehicle to the full, just add one of this. This cost around 30 dirhams, okay, in any store. Okay, you go to any, not Liqui-Moly, I could say any accessory shop and all, you will get it, but make sure that you buy the original one, because there are a lot of duplicates also which come in the market. Okay, so that can ruin your engine. So make sure that you use a good quality one. So Liqui-Moly catalytic system clean, not once in a year. This is basically if you are using it for, like, you know, I could say once in twice a month you can use it. So that's why I was getting good offers. So I got this for like around 50 dirhams for 2. So it's like 25 dirhams one, I guess. So only on Amazon. Okay, if you go and buy it outside in Gisas and all, then I guess it's like 30 dirhams per bottle. So that's why it's quite expensive over here. Okay, so I bought it from from Amazon only. So Liqui-Moly's products, okay, all the oil additives and all, which we'll be using next time for our service. Okay, this will be coming in the next vlog, but I thought, like, let me just show it to you, because that vlog will be going very long. So I thought, let me just show it to you in this video. Plus there is one more product which is on shipping currently. It's not yet come. Okay, that is basically a throttle body cleaner. Okay, so that is also like a spray. That also I had ordered together, but it didn't come. Okay, it's still in transit, still yet to come. So most probably by this week I will get it. Maybe tomorrow it's Monday, today is Sunday basically. Maybe tomorrow Monday I might get it, Tuesday I might get it, Wednesday I'll get it. I'm not very sure, because On Amazon it's still showing in transit, okay, so I'm not very sure. And the third parcel which I wanted to show you all now, this I bought it from local store, okay, day to day, okay, day to day I bought this. I just gone to buy one microfiber cloth. So this is basically, you know, like a cleaner, okay, so this is like an exterior cleaner, okay, so to clean your exterior, okay, so this is like soft material. I don't know what is this called, this material. So it will help you to clean out the dust and all. So basically those people who have a lot of dust in their cars, okay, not inside, outside the car, because Dubai this time, no, it's become very dusty, okay, it's not very nice to go outside also. It become quite dusty, so you know, in the mornings it become very difficult for me to clean. So this is basically a nice cleaner which will be showing, okay, later on after I do my engine the AC service. So this is basically what I bought. Again, this is something for 12 dirhams, okay, you can go to day now, you can buy it 12 dirhams you get it. I'm not sure about Amazon and how much they sell. It will be quite expensive only. So this is basically just for an exterior cleaner. And we have microfibers, okay, so this is just for interior exterior. I have bought like this pack of 6, I guess. Yeah, pack of 6, okay. I just wanted one to clean the interior, but then I'll be keeping this for my household also, multi-purpose cloth, okay. So this will be all be going now. So now let's focus on this product, okay. First let's clean up the engine, okay. I'll just keep these things behind and then we'll start with the AC service today. Okay guys, so I hope you all can see me from here. Okay, currently I've taken the seat very behind, so I will just show it to you on this one. Okay, so this is very visible over here. Let's try to move this rosary a little bit on top. Yeah, so now I guess you'll be able to see. I can't see you all properly, I don't know. Okay, so I have connected the tube, okay, it's kept over here, and make sure that you have your microfiber, okay, which is like very small over here. I don't know it's worth it or no. I hope you can see properly. Okay, so make sure that you shake this bottle just like how you shake your whiskey, okay, samajh rahe ho na? Yeah. So make sure you shake your bottle, and I'm also doing it for the very first time, so I hope it goes correctly. Make sure the vehicle is off, huh? AC band karo nahi to once only you might put everything and boom. Okay, so let's put this tube inside. First time I'm also doing it, hope it goes well. Yeah, this is a little bit crooked. Okay, so let's insert this very inside, and you know, make sure that you insert this properly in, and then you know, just try to pull this, okay. So 1 2 3. Yeah, so this is very satisfying. Oh my god, oh shit, the foam is all over. Okay, so if you see, this is the foam, so we'll do the from the other side also. Okay, and the liquid is quite chilled. Okay, not very sure, I'm not able to see. Okay, I'll just try to zoom in little bit for y'all. So I have completely zoomed in now. This is the first vent. This is okay, so just try to show it from here. Okay, so yeah, looks actually quite nice and good. Okay, so it's a dissolving foam. Yes, so it's a dissolving foam by its own. Okay, so if you see over here, it will start working now. After some time now we'll put more also, but right now we'll do on the other two sides. Okay, I will not show you because it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'm like, yeah, so I have done it on 2 vents. Okay, if you can see the white foam, I have 2 more vents remaining, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. I will do it on the both sides and I will show it to you, okay, later on. But this is for now, and I'll be putting more also. Okay, so I'll just do it and I will come back to you.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
So this is the halat of the cabin filter. Okay, so this is the AC filter, completely gone. So we have to use a new AC filter, okay, for the next time. So we'll have to replace this, which I'll be taking over there only from them, but I don't have a new right now. So just keep it down somewhere over here so that we can just put it over here back. Let's keep it down.
All I do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall. while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at
I will just show it to you from here because my hands are also very dirty. So let me just show it to you because it's very dark over here, so you can't see also anything. Okay, so this is the place now, which is like the glove box, and so you know that is where the air filter sits, okay, the cabin filter. So I just have to spray over there. So I just sprayed it over there. Okay, if you see now, this part, this foamy type. So you have to spray on that also, and now just leave it like for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, just wait, let's wait for some time.
prove it on, I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about
Okay guys, so let's continue with this vlog. It's almost been half an hour since we have been waiting because we added foam over there also down. Okay, so the glove box is open and the filter is down over there. So I have not added the cabin filter, it's open only. Okay, and this is the outside cover of that. So we added foam in all the 4 vents, and this bottle also got empty. So one bottle is enough for all this. Okay, plus what if you can spray extra, it will be much better. Because what I can see now from here, that there is all this dust. Okay, if you see, this is all dust which is there, so which might come out on us now. Okay, so because of that, you know, all this foam has dissolved and evaporated also. So let's start with the engine now first. So first, you know what you have to do, start with the engine. Okay, and this is the button for recirculation. Okay, so make sure that this button is off. Okay, and let the air come from outside. Okay, so let's start with the engine first. Okay, so the engine has started properly now. So what we'll do is we'll just keep the doors closed. I hope it doesn't spill outside all over. Okay, इसको जरा नीचे रखते थे. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so it's started to throw. See, keep it on high mode. Okay. Whoa, the foam! Fuck! Shit! All this foam has come down. Okay. There is a lot of water also dripping currently from all the vents and all. See. Oh my god. Okay, so there is a lot of mess which has happened. Okay, all the things I don't know, you might be seeing on camera, but all this foam has come out from here. Okay, I will just show it to you from here. See, this is all the foam that is come out. The blowers are on full blast now. Let it just recirculate and just keep the temperature very high. Okay, right now it's on 22.5, so let's keep it on high so that all the bacteria and all gets washed out from there. Yeah, so I have kept it on the high mode right now. Okay, see, if you see, yes, all the foam has come down. It's dripping from here. There is some water also which is coming down, so that's a very normal thing. Okay, see, everything has been come down. So let me just clean up all of this. Let's wait for 5 minutes and then I will get back to you. Okay. Okay guys, so it's been almost 20 minutes now. Okay, and the car has already been started. So when I was just trying to tell you all that once the foam is gone inside now, make sure to put on your AC. Okay, keep it to the full heat. Okay, and make this almost like around 30. Okay, keep it on high mode. Right now it was already on high mode, so it was blowing all the hot air out. Okay, so it's a dual zone climate control, so this part operates differently, this part operates differently. So right now just bring it down to whatever lower temperature that you want. Okay, so right now it's on 22.5. okay, and make it sure that you suck the air from the out. Okay, right now what we'll do is we'll just keep the recirculation mode, okay, the interior mode of the vehicle on. Okay, and so here, you know, all the dirt that was there, it had come out on these vents. Okay, so make sure that you clean this up properly. And one more thing now guys, there is one front button over here. If you see now, this is basically used when the glass fogs up over here. So make sure that you insert the foam into this as well as this. Okay, so this is for the glass actually. And then, you know, once you're done like with 10 minutes of this vents, make sure that you start with this front also. Okay, so there was a lot of foam which was blocked inside over here. So when I started this button now, all that foam came outside. Okay, so this also needed to be cleaned up. So right now everything has been cleaned. Okay, it's almost been like 15 minutes, not 15 minutes, almost been like 20 minutes now. So we can put off the vehicle. Okay, and then I will get back to you. Okay, so let's put off the vehicle now. Let's bring it down. Okay, and let's put off the AC. Okay, AC is off, and then here we put off the vehicle. Yes guys, so the AC vent also has been cleaned properly. Okay, right now it's giving cool and fresh air. Okay, so heads up to this bottle. So I finished the entire bottle, costed around 20 dirhams on Amazon. You can go in any store, you will find it, but I prefer to buy it online because I ordered a lot of things. Of course I didn't get any kind of discount and all, but chalta hai. I mean 20 dirhams is not a big amount, right? Yeah, so this was the AC duct cleaning service. Okay, this is basically DIY. Okay, so it was really nice. It was necessary. A lot of dirt which was there, which was not cleaned from so many years, because as I've told you, this is not this is my car right now, but previously this was someone else's car. Okay, it is a pre-owned vehicle. Okay, so when I bought it, it was something like that. So right now the car is smelling a little bit fresh. Okay, of course we need to check the AC because it's not giving us cool air. Okay, it's just giving us like the normal warm air which is there. So I think the AC gas may be over, maybe the condenser might have an issue. I'm thinking maybe the condenser might be required to replace. So anyways, next week we'll be meeting. Okay, so after this video I'll be uploading the other video also. Okay, so let's meet for the next upcoming vlog also, which will be on next Saturday. I will be trying to do the service. Okay, and I will see you all very soon. Right now we have just one product to be tested before I close this vlog na. So this was the only thing which I had to do, yeah, just to clean outside and see if this really works or not. So let's just go outside, you know, because the car a little bit dusty, because this time na there have been a lot of dust storms and all. So let's just go out for some time and just try to see if it really cleans on. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the outer part of it. So this, what do you call this, like a broom, like a wiper, this will mostly work outside, and the price is only around 12 dirhams. Okay, if you see, I bought it from day to day, so you can go and buy this. Right now this is the dust. Okay, last 2 days I didn't drive the car, so see this. Okay, this is the dust, so I hope it works properly. And I guess you can you can extend it also. See, you can extend it also. That's a very nice thing. See this, you can extend also, so we can use it in a much better way. So let's see, okay, if this really works. So 1 2 3. Oh yeah, this works really nicely. Yeah, really nicely. Okay, and it collects the dust also over here. So let's see, let's try to clean that up. Yeah, it doesn't hold also any dust. That's a very nice thing. Okay, just see over here. so efficiently it has cleaned up this. Wow, that's a very nice thing. So definitely a thumbs up from my side. Okay. Yes, looks good, looks really nice. Wow, wow, see this. You don't have to use your cloth and all, just use this to remove. Yeah, so I will clean the vehicle out of the camera. Okay, see this, very efficiently it has cleaned up. Yeah, that's a very nice thing, so you don't have to get yourself dirty while cleaning up this. So that was it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like the AC cleaning video. Always a very small video, and I definitely recommend it for pre-owned vehicles and all if you're buying. So make sure that you service your AC also. It will smell awful. Okay, my car doesn't really smell bad because the previous owner was also very nice. I don't know who is the owner, because as I've told you, this is not a GCC specs. This is basically a Canadian specs. The car has come all the way from Canada, but no one was smoking cigarettes and all. So that's a very nice thing. I don't think there was a lot of dirt, because that's all like the dry dirt which is there, which is everywhere. So okay, so that will like keep on coming out, and it will you need to do the regular cleaning of the AC also as well. Okay, so we'll meet you next time. Okay, next Saturday I will meet you all directly to service the car. That is the time we'll use all those Liqui Moly products and all, whatever is there, and I will share. Okay, so anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell, otherwise you'll not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next upcoming vlog.